Can you hear this sizzling sound? I'm going to introduce you to a very delicious Korean dish. It's one of my favorite bean sprouts recipe. It's spicy, flavorful, and the texture of spicy bean and paper-thin pork goes amazing together. First, you need to thinly chop one onion. Divide your green onion in long half and cut them into a finger length. Cut 20 sesame leaves into 3 pieces. You won't even notice them when they are cooked. Clean 300 grams of bean sprouts. Chop 2 spicy Korean peppers. You can replace fish sauce with soy sauce. Vinegar takes away the bad smell of the pork, and when it evaporates, it lets out delicious fruity fragrance and brings in tanginess. Tomato sauce is optional but brings more flavors. I used a regular spoon and teaspoon to measure the sauce. After you add all the ingredients, you will have a rice bowl full of sauce. You can use it all or save a spoon or two if you like to have your dish less spicy or less salty. You need to put bean sprouts first because they release moisture the most, and then scatter onions, then green onions. Put 400 grams of thinly sliced pork of any kind, sesame leaves, and then sauce followed by hot peppers. Place your heat on high and don't stir yet. Water from the bean sprout will start to come out and the vegetables will start to shrink in size. Then it's okay to stir fry. If necessary, cut your pork into bite sizes. My husband had to stop me a few times because I kept on trying to eat raw pork. Please be patient. The sizzling sound is the most beautiful sound. The texture, the flavor, the spiciness, it just goes so well together like one amazing symphony. It goes really well with soju. Almost towards the end, you need to stir fry it with rice. Chop some kimchi and put some seasoned seaweed. Drizzle some sesame oil and put a bowl of rice. Mix it and stir fry it, and bon appetit.